Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I'm creating a card and a matching gift tag for a birthday gift. I'm using the 2018 Occasions Catalogs kit called Lots of Happy. I really like this very trendy stamp set, and I'm finding that I can use it in other ways besides the kit. From the kit's components, you can create several different designs that have instructions, or you can go off-road like I did and create something all on its own. So I'm using some of the pieces that are from this easy all-inclusive card kit, and I'm going to create a card that is just a little bit different. So I'm using basic black archival. This is a waterproof ink. Not that it necessarily needs to be waterproof in this project. It's just the kind of ink that comes with the kit. I'm adding a piece of Wood Textures Designer Series paper, and I'm also going to add a scrap of the same paper and put it across the middle of this beautiful little piece of paper that I colored in with watercolor pencils that come with the kit, and they are unique brand new colors. They're new to the Stampin' Up watercolor pencil family. I'm attaching most of the items with some tape runner or snail adhesive, and it's going to be a very quick card to put together. I want to focus more of my energies on having a gift tag to match. I really like this. It's called Vanilla Lace, and it's like an off-white that is perfect for projects that have not a stark white or a bright white look. It adds a nice bit of softness and maybe a little touch of romance, shabby chic kind of look. I'm attaching the lace directly over this piece of Designer Series paper that looks like the same wood, and I'm going to add the sentiment directly on top of that. The lace will be tucked underneath the raised panel with some mini glue dots. Adding an element that is close to but completely different from the other elements in the card project is important in a design. Not only is it something for the receiver to touch, they can feel the texture, but it's also something that breaks up the design to the eye. The inside of the card is kept very simple with another one of the flowers that comes in the kit. Also in the kit are these little, I think they're hexagons. If I asked Trip, he would tell me because he's almost 7 and he knows these things. So he would be able to tell me if this is a hexagon. And I'm just using more of that ribbon to tie these two projects together. Now here's another one of those little die cut flowers. It looks like it's lavender, and I've used the watercolor pencils to color it in, and I used a blender pen to smooth out the coloring. A handheld punch is going to poke a hole so that I can attach some ribbon, and then I can adhere this to a gift. Either I can put it onto a gift tag, I can add it to a gift bag, or I can tie it around a gift that's unwrapped. Just making a piece of tissue paper would work really great. It doesn't have to be a decorated fancy gift because my gift tag is going to be what I want the attention to be drawn to. Thank you so much for joining me today. For more information, go to my blog at jennystampsup.com, and there click Shop Now to make your purchases. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day!